In this video, I am going to show you how we can add developer tab in Ribbon. So by default, Excel doesn't contain any tab from where you can run macro or map your XML files. To add your developer tab, you can go to File menu. This is also known as Backstage View and click on Option. Here in Option, you will find Customize Ribbon. Here you will find all the tabs and here you will find developer tab. You can click on this and developer tab will be added. So in the developer tab you will find all the option like you can use Visual Basic for application programming. You can run macros from here and you can add add-ins and whatever you want to do in the programming side, or you can use XML files, import or export XML files. So in this way, so simply if you don't want to use it, you can hide it always. Click on customize ribbon and just untick this and click on OK, and the developer tab will be removed. So in this way you can add the developer tab to the ribbon. Thanks for watching.